Ken and Joyce's love story is not that extraordinary. Their love story is similar to those whom I got to know in one way or the other. Their love story started with a friendship. Actually, according to them, they are the best of friends.
Nag-start yung love story natin bilang isang bully, tsaka nambubully. Seatmates, tapos yun na nga. Marami na rin tayong pinagdaanan, on and off relationships.
There's a time na nagkaka-problem tayo, so I've prayed and asked God before that if ever you're not the one, ipakita niyo na agad sa akin ng maaga. But you didn't give me any reason to leave you. Instead, you gave me so many reasons to hold on to you at mas naging strong pa tayo after that.
Tandaan ninyo, your married life will not be that easy. But if you will remain in the love of Christ, you will have the joy that nobody can offer, that nobody can give.
To my classmate turned seatmate, then became my friend, my closest friend, and now my mahal.
I've been so blessed that God let me meet you at a young age. Looking back from being my clingy self, you've helped me mature in this relationship. Sabi mo nga before, you want us to grow together in this relationship. And so we did.
Hindi ako perfect. Hindi rin ako totally mabait. Pero super thankful ako kay Lord kasi binigay ka niya sa akin na sobra-sobra sa deserve ko.
Everything around you fades into the wind, and my heart is thrown open. Feels like slow motion. I never knew the feeling until you. Every time I see you, I'm caught up in your magic. When I fall to pieces, you pull me back together, and when we are together.
Mahal, I know you're the prettiest, pero gusto kong isuot mo ito sa wedding natin. I love you, Mahal. Asawa mo.
Hi, Mal. This gift symbolizes what we will do tonight after the wedding. And your destination where we will start our future together. For the second one, to follow na yan once we have a concrete date already. See you later. I love you, your wife.
Challenges, tas nadagdagan pa, lalo nung LDR tayo with time difference. So it became harder for me to picture this day. And for all the years na LDR tayo, I'm thankful that to God for giving me the most faithful guy I know, my guy best friend, my personal nurse, and partner rolled into one. Sabi ko nga before, para kang kape na 3-in-1, at hindi pa din nagbabago yun. But this time, it's gonna be partner for life. For so long, I miss us together. Now, here we are, Mahal, and I can't wait to build a future with you. I love you.
Wala akong ibang mapapangako sa'yo, mahal, but I vow to be the best husband na kailangan mo sa lahat ng panahon. I vow to give you my never-ending love, honesty, and loyalty. I vow to be a good father sa future little Merls and little Ken. I know these words are not enough, but I will put it all to actions. I love you, mahal ko, my asawa.